do intro.
Here. Are we
boys? Today, this is the Motor Boys, and we're about to run over gingerbread. Yeah, gingerbread house. Then we're gonna do this like a long time ago. It was just already destroyed. We're gonna run over it today, and
I'm gonna record this.
We only have like 2 different angles because Connor forgot to charge one of the GoPros, and mine's dead.
The only GoPro he charges is his.
Oh yeah, but it has
I
batteries.
haven't actually charged the batteries in a while. It's been
they just sit there.
yeah.
Slow motion.
I don't even know why you have the best GoPro.
Well,
but,
Batteries.
but today we're gonna do
I
that.
had the best GoPro.
So yeah, boys, you should finish watching this video.
Water.
Yeah, well, you might want to get a little bit farther away because, boy, he'll be coming fast. He's coming. No, it didn't work. He's gonna run over the bag.
Bet you won't even.
Dude, the dude's still living. He survived. He survived.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Go again. Hit the man.
Rip Gingerbread Man 2018 or no 2017 to 2018.
Oh my god. Hey, dude, we even broke the plastic. Still good. Hey, whoa, no, hey, okay.
Got snowman homicide over here.
I'm actually not bad.
It's not bad as sugar. Yeah, that's flour.
Okay, why, you want to film the outro? Or thing?
This is a good outro. Hello, in this episode of CSI Miami, snowman homicide. I don't know what happened, sir.
Wow, Connor, you are a cool kiddo.
Hey, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And please don't do this because we're gonna have to clean up somehow. And bye.
See me stop it?
Yeah.
Oh, super glue. We just like ate super glue, dude. That's not good.
Now we're going to clean up this stuff.
That's cocaine.
No, you're not supposed to know that.
That's good.